What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. I am teaming up with Lifesum to bring you guys a full what I eat in a day, what I ate today for fat loss type of video. I used to do these all the time, and on my last meal prep video, I got so many requests from you guys to bring these back. I will be so honest with you, the past week I have not eaten well at all, and I really want to put myself on like a summer shred or like summer cut. I have always been trying to slim down. If you follow my YouTube channel, I've lost a lot of weight since college, but I've kind of like plateaued at where I'm at right now, and I've never put myself on a strict like real cut where I really count the macros like consistently, and I track everything in my phone. So I think this is very beneficial to me, and also to you guys. A lot of you ask me how to count macros or how to track a specific plan for fat loss or for muscle gain or whatever it is that you're going for. Lifesum does make it extremely easy in their app to import your height and weight and your specific calorie needs and everything, and it does break it down by protein, carb, and fat for every single meal. It's very, very easy, which I really like. So I'm gonna walk you guys through my entire full day of what I eat when I'm trying to stay extremely healthy, extremely clean, and feel my best. And yeah, I know a lot of you had requested another video like this, so I hope you enjoy. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new, and let's get into what I had for breakfast. Alright, you guys, so let's get started. Before I have breakfast, every morning I have my apple cider and lemon water concoction. A lot of you always ask about the ratios. It's a full glass of water with 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix it up, drink it down. You'll kind of get over the taste after a little while. The health benefits are amazing. And then again, before any food, I go in with my multivitamin, which is the M Factor Goddess, and my Full Mega, which is the omega-3 fatty acids that you need, which really help to also promote heart health. And both of those combined really help with skin, nair, and hair growth as well. So I'm gonna pull up my Lifesum app here and show you how I'm gonna be tracking every meal that I eat today, because I do wanna stay strict on my macronutrients. That pulls up like my profile page, and you hit the little person button. I'm gonna hit here the nutrition settings. I'm gonna be having 50% carb, 20% protein, and 30% fat. So this has me at 1,200 calories a day to drop about a pound or 2 a week. You'll scroll down, and I clicked on add breakfast. You can scan in the items if you want, but I just like to type them in. So I typed in oat fit because that's the first thing I'm gonna be having. It's 100 calories per pack. You'll click add, and it'll add it into your meal. And I'll show you here in a minute as well what the full meal looks like. But I had 1 package of this oatmeal, which is the cinnamon roll flavor, which is amazing. I also had some apple, which I didn't show, and then any type of fruit that you like. And then I had 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. But I was showing here also the PB Fit is a great option. So I heated up the oatmeal. I also cut up 1 full orange there on the side, and then I topped everything off with some cinnamon. Oatmeal is just a very easy go-to meal for me in the morning that I have all the time, that tastes amazing and keeps me very, very full. I don't even usually snack after I have this. So in the app there, under breakfast, I added everything up, and as you can see, it was 455 calories, which is fine with me because I usually have a little bit of a bigger or a smaller dinner and like to have my bigger meals earlier in the day. So I didn't have any snacks. So then at like 1 p.m. I wanted to have lunch. I just made a protein shake. This is the meal replacement, which I've shown on my channel so much. It's very simple. It's just some almond milk. I like the Silk brand here because it's about 30 calories a cup. And I just add some ice and some PB2 and then some cinnamon. You can also do the PB Fit or regular peanut butter, depending whatever your goals are. So I just added a tiny bit there, and then the level 1 ice cream sandwich protein, which is just my absolute favorite. I've repurchased it probably 4 times. The taste is out of this world, and it's 25 grams of protein per scoop, so it helps you to hit that macro target for the day. Also, you can see in the powder, which I'm showing here close up, it's a white powder with like little chocolate specks going throughout. So it's just really, really good. Once you blend it, it gets extremely fluffy, and it's very, very filling. So I'll usually add a full frozen banana or a banana and a half, depending like how full or thick I want the shake. And I just blend it up in my NutriBullet, which I got from Target. I swear it was like the best 50 or 60 bucks I've ever spent. I use this thing so much. But yeah, I've had this shake, shown it on my channel plenty of times. I also really like the Cinnamon Toast Crunch flavor and the regular peanut butter flavor from First Form. So if you guys are interested in trying out their protein, I'll leave it down below so you can get free shipping. Then moving on here to dinner, I took this barbecue ranch packet, like pre-packet of salad mix, but I'm only gonna use part of it. So what I do is I pour out all the lettuce mix that comes together in the packet, and then it also comes with another packet with like ranch and barbecue sauce, which you'll see here. I don't use that. So I just basically take the little tortilla strips that are in there, and I do use those, so I'll throw those into my salad, but I set the barbecue sauce and the ranch to the side because it has too many calories and it's just not made well. It's not healthy for you at all. So I'll end up using my own. I add a little bit of lemon juice, and then what I did here is just took some tomato and avocado. You could also add in mozzarella cheese or some fruit or anything that you personally like in your salads if you want to add even more veggies than that. This is just like what I prefer. So I did about probably a third of an avocado added in there. And then what I did is took a salmon fillet that I made earlier in the week for meal prep, and I hadn't eaten it yet and I didn't want it to go bad. So I just took this whole fillet on top and I kind of just cut it up. This salad ended up being pretty big, so I did save some for later, but I mixed all that up, and because I did have the lemon juice this day, I didn't really feel the need to add an additional dressing, but usually I will go in with a Walden Farms ranch dressing, which I'm showing here, or the mayo avocado oil. So usually I'll choose one of those two and I'll top that instead, but with the lemon juice today, that was all I needed. And it was, again, just very filling, something that I've made multiple times that I already know that I like, so it's just like a very staple meal for me. And again, for some reason, it was just like so filling today. I had some left, so I put the rest of this here in a Tupperware so I could kind of snack on that later. Again, as long as you seal it up, everything should stay good for like 2 to 3 days. So later in the afternoon, I chose to skip a snack because I knew I was going to go out with froyo with Christian later. So I ended up getting plain tart froyo with some strawberries and a tiny bit of Reese's and cookie dough on there, as you can see. I do always like to fit that into like my day or my week. I'll never like really deprive myself. I'll just make sure to get like fruit on top. So at the end of the day here, I pulled up the app and I ended up having 1,249 calories a day, which is fine. I had all my meals put in there. On LifeSum, it was super easy to track everything. They also do have the Life Score test here, which you guys can take and kind of see how healthy you are and get advice from experts. And then they have a bunch of free recipes there for you as well. So it's a very easy free app. I will leave the link down below so you guys can try it out. You can also click the screen right here to check out some of my other videos. And thank you so much for watching. I would love if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.